How to use Find My iPhone with family and friends. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to keep your family and friends connected, today I'm going to show you how to use Find My iPhone with family and friends. So let's dive right in. First, you need to simply go ahead and tap on settings in order to open the settings app. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Then you need to tap on location services and make sure that location services is toggled on. This is crucial for sharing your location. Next, you need to tap on Share My Locations and you need to ensure that Find My iPhone is toggled on. Now that you have done that, you need to go ahead and Find My. From here, you need to tap on Allow Location Access while using the app. Now that you have arranged all the settings, you need to head over to your Find My app. Then you need to tap on Me option over here. Once you have done that, you need to simply toggle on Share My Location over here. Now that you have shared your location, you need to simply tap on People and from here you need to tap on Start Sharing Locations. Go ahead and find your family members and friends with whom you want to share your locations, and once you do that, you need to tap on Send. Then you can go ahead and choose any option from here. You can share your locations for 1 hour until the end of the day or indefinitely. And once you do that, your locations will be sent. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.